But she was behind the manger scene. I thought, oh no! But she moved over. She figured it out and got over.
I do it for everybody else. Look at Jay. I was just about to say that.